Did you know that gray walls are officially out in 2026? Designers discovered that our psychology actually demands rich, earthy colors. And I'll show you a secret technique that transforms your mental health through these colors. By the end of this video, you'll understand that this palette isn't just a trend, it's an emotional evolution. So hit subscribe, because this information will literally heal your home. Let's talk about 2026's hottest design trend, Earthy Vibrancy. The Brownstone Boys coined this term. Barry Bourdillon and Jordan Slocum created a palette completely inspired by nature. And according to Good Housekeeping's recent research, this changes everything. But this isn't just about colors. This represents a massive cultural shift. 15-plus professional designers confirmed that homeowners are moving away from millennial gray and stark white toward something deeper and more meaningful. Why? Because we're emotionally craving connection with nature, with authenticity, and with our real selves. So what are these magical colors? Let me break it down. Number 1, rich ochre. This is a soft, earthy, yellow, think sun-baked clay. Designer Barry Bourdillon says this tone gives you a grounding yet adventurous feel. It brings warmth into your space without overwhelming it. Number 2, deep plum. This is a moody, jewel-toned purple. Think dusty, like your grandmother's emerald ring you discovered after 50 years. Multiple designers, including Emily Lamarck, report that clients specifically request this subdued yet dramatic shade. Number 3, olive green. According to Zillow's 2026 trend report, green mentions and listings increased dramatically. This shade specifically grounds you, it connects directly to nature. Bear's Hidden Gem, their 2026 color of the year, perfectly represents this family. And number 4, muted blues, muddy blues, smoky jades. These shades feel peaceful yet adventurous. Designer Stephanie Hunt says these colors make your space atmospheric without feeling cold. Now the real question, why now? Why do these colors matter specifically in 2026? Research shows that we're re-experiencing a fundamental shift in the post-pandemic era about what we want from our homes. According to Zillow expert Amanda Pendleton, homes are evolving into multi-dimensional spaces. We want our spaces to work as sanctuaries, not just showpieces. Biophilic design, which means nature-inspired design, has scientific proof that it literally reduces stress. Green tones calm your heart rate. Ochre creates warmth and belonging. Deep plum encourages introspection and creativity. Designer Blair Moore perfectly sums this up. Colors will be less about what looks timeless and more about what feels timeless. This is an anti-trend movement. We're tired of fast-changing micro-trends. We want colors that emotionally resonate, not just colors that look good on Instagram. Color-drenching mentions in Zillow listings increased by 149%, proving that people want bold, personal statements. So how do you practically use this palette? Strategy number 1, start small. Aaron Lesser from Emma Barrel Interiors recommends starting with one throw, pillow, artwork, or natural materials like wood and stone. Number 2, focus on textiles first. The Brownstone Boys suggest layering these tones in rugs, pillows, and curtains. This gives you flexibility without commitment. Number 3, use contained surfaces. Designer Kelly recommends painting a powder room, mudroom, or one accent built-in. Echo that tone in textiles and art throughout the space. And importantly, layer thoughtfully. These colors are rich, so create balance with warm neutrals like creamy beiges and soft whites. Pro tip, texture matters just as much as color. Velvet chocolate brown with satin periwinkle, matte finishes with high gloss. These contrasts create depth. So that's Earthy Vibrancy 2026's revolutionary color palette that's nature-inspired, psychologically grounding and authentically you, ochre, deep plum, olive green, and muted blues. These aren't just colors, they're emotional tools. If this video helped you, hit that like button, definitely subscribe for more design insights, and tell me in the comments which color will you try first in your home. Next video, I'll show you exact paint combinations and room-by-room transformations. Until then, design boldly and live authentically.